Hi class, my name is Devan Atkinson. Today I'm going to go over the open office format versus the traditional format. What it all boils down to is figuring out which format works best for your company based on the company's culture, the company's environment, and the company's employees, and which format will help deliver the best results to your customers. First, we're going to start off with the open office. I'm going to list some pros and cons. So the pros are easier to manage your employees, there's better communication, the cost effectiveness, it's much cheaper, uh, more teamwork, there's better opportunity for diversity. The cons are there's a lack of privacy, it's difficult to determine the departments, it's easier to get distracted by your peers, there's more stressful situations, and there's more opportunity for germs. Next will be the traditional office format. The pros here are there's more privacy, it's better opportunity to avoid the germs, it's easier to have private team meetings, there's structure and there's discipline within the format, it's easier to focus. Cons, there's a lack of environmental changes, there's more expenses, it's less interaction between your peers, lack of flexibility of office use, and there's lower management supervision. So after discussing that, I'm going to show a couple of images of one, the open office format, and two, the traditional open office format. That way you can get a better view on what will work best for the company. So here is an open office design. You can see the very open design and format that helps you collaborate better, but it could also be kind of a cluster because you have no privacy. Next is the traditional office format. So you can hear this is more of a private, secluded environment that helps you work personally, but it may lack that teamwork vibe that you need based on whatever you are trying to produce for your customers. So now my recommendation for Farley Designs would be to create a blended office plan, which provides the traditional office format with an open office space. I believe this method will help keep the energy throughout the office, but also generate enough privacy and structure to generate positive results throughout the company. And here's the image of that mixed office format. You can notice that there's privacy over here on the left, but there's also the open office sensation throughout the environment. So that helps give a nice blend and balance based on delivering clothes for our Farley Designs environment to our customers. It will help generate new, energetic results and information within the company as well as to our customers and clients. So I believe this mixed office format will help generate the best results overall. Thank you.